Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with a little mini haul from Origami Owl. You guys saw in a previous video that I got this, whatever you want to call it, locket from Tracy, and you can get her link below and shop with her because I guess she's my Origami Owl person now. So there's lots of charms in there already, but I did order a few more. And the charms are only $6 a piece. So I ordered 3. They're fairly tiny. I know you're seeing a lot of my wood background right now, but I'm going to show you guys what I got, and hopefully I don't drop them because that would be heartbreaking. I got 3 of them because I wanted one for my husband. So I got this heart. It's like a loopy journey heart. That kind of reminds me of like the hearts that we had at our wedding. And then I love tacos, so I got the taco one. And then I also love elephants. I got the little elephant. Oh, that's the side with the O on it. There you go. On the back side of like each one, there's an O for like Origami Owl to say that's like a real one. So, and I got the elephant. So super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in here so you can kind of see how we do that. And I don't want to drop these because I probably will. All right, so it's just magnetic clip. I kind of hold the side, and then there's like room. You just kind of set them in there. I think I'm gonna run out of room. The elephant's bigger than I thought. Can you have too many in one of these? I guess you can. There's probably a limit. Oh, I don't know if I can fit everyone. You're sideways. Oh, that's upside down. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to take one out, but I don't want to take any of them out. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to take out the R, maybe? I don't know. I think that's full. Let me see if I shake it around whether I can get it. I'd like to have all of them in there. Tracy's probably like, yeah, you need another locket. It's all full. I thought I would be able to fit 3 more in there. Maybe? Maybe. Yes! I got them all in there. Proud of me. So there's the T, the scissors, the mom, the R, the little boy, the elephant, the taco, the little reading worm. All of them are in there. I love it. Alright, so thanks for watching. Give this video a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!